Hi, this is Miss Harder, and we are doing CPM homework 2.1.2. We have 217, 219, and 220. Honors, you have try to do 218. Okay, so here we go. Oh, hold on. Let me just look what I gave. 217, 219, and 220. Okay. Great. So let's just take a look. We've been building on expressions for this is our second lesson. So let's do 217. Okay, so let's check out A of 217. All right, so we have 3y plus 2y plus y squared plus 5 plus y. All right, well, let's just check out what our like terms are. Well, the y squared, does it have any like terms at all? No. So I'm just going to take that and place it here and rewrite it at the front, because remember, the exponents get placed first. All right, then let's take a look at the y's. If you look, we've got three. We've got this one, and this one. All we need to do is add the coefficient number. And remember, this one has an invisible 1 in front of it, so it counts as 1. So we've got 1 plus 2 is 3, and plus 3 is 6. So now we have 6y. And those are gone. And then the last thing we have is this 5. So we're just going to move it over because we have no other constant. So this is your first one. All right, let's do C. Same thing, rewrite it. Make sure that you rewrite it correctly. I always mess this up because I go too fast and I mess it up. Plus x plus 4. Great. Now we need to search for like terms. All right, so we've got a 3xy. Do we have any other 3xy's anywhere? No. So I'm going to actually leave it for right now because I want to place it. Let's go for the x's. Do we have other x's? Yes, we do. It's right here. So we're going to combine those. So here's a like term. Here's a like term. I'm going to rewrite it. 5 plus 1 is 6x. So that's gone. We can actually mark that off if you like. The next one is the y. Do we have any other y's? No, we don't. So we're going to say 3y. Now I'm going to move this over, plus 3xy. That's gone. Now the last two things that we have are the 2 and the 4 constants. So we're just going to add 2 plus 4, and it is 6. Good job. Honors, this is a try. So let me know. 219. This is where you're going to use the word evaluate in 219, right? So you're actually going to plug in. They're going to give you what the variable is. So if you look at A, you've got a negative 4D plus 3, and they want to know, they gave you D equals negative 1. Okay, let me back this up a little bit. So I'm going to plug in negative 1 for D plus 3. So now I have negative 4 times negative 1, and it's going to make a positive 4 plus 3, and then I've got 7. So for this one, our answer is 7. All right. Okay, let me just switch the page. And we're still on 219, but now we're at C. So 2-19C is TW. T over W. T equals 6, and then W equals negative 3. So we're going to put 6 in for T and negative 3 in for W. And what does this equal? It equals a negative 2. So that's C. All right. And the last one is 220. Solve the following problems. A typical small bag of colored candies has 35 candies in it. Okay. 27 of which are blue. At this rate, how many blue candies would you expect in a pile of 1,000 candies? All right, perfect. This is a proportional relationship. I love these. So what I'm going to do is I am going to set it up like this, all right? I'm going to put 135 candies on the bottom. This is the candies. So the 1,000 candies go down here. Now, the 27 that are blue go up here. The X goes here because this is what we want to find. I'm actually going to do the big fat 1 for this one. Let me get my handy dandy calculator right here. Hold on. And I'm going to try this. I'm going to go in and I'm going to go 1,000 divided by 135 equals, ooh, 7.047. I don't necessarily like that. So I'm going to do something different. I don't necessarily like that one, so I'm going to do my cross multiplication because I honestly, it's my go-to. So I've got 135 times x equals 27 times 1,000. So we have 135 x equals 27, 1, 2, 3. All right. So I've set up my equation, right? I've multiplied 27 times 1,000, got 27,000. Now I need to get rid of the 135 because it's being multiplied by the x, so I need to divide to get rid of it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go back to my calculator and I'm going to go 27,000 divided by 135 equals 200. So our x is 200. So 200 candies are going to be blue. There you go. There are the problems of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video.